Gender-based violence. Introduction. I will share my personal understanding and reflection on gender-based violence or GBV with a focus on the situation in Afghanistan. Building on my discussion, I will define GBV, discuss three specific examples, explain why is it a human rights issue, describe its psychological effects on victims, and suggest ways to prevent it. Definition of gender-based violence on my terms refers to any harmful act directed at a person because of their gender. It is rooted in unequal power relations, discrimination, and patriarchal social norms. GBV can take many forms including physical, sexual, and psychological and economic abuse. In Afghanistan, GBV is often normalized through tradition, conflict, and weak legal protection, making it difficult for women and girls to seek help or justice. Three examples of GBV in Afghanistan. One is marital rape happens when a woman is forced into sexual activity by her husband without her consent. In Afghanistan, this form of violence is rarely recognized because marriage is often seen as giving permanent consent. This leaves many women trapped in abusive relationships with no legal protection. Second, child marriage is still common in Afghanistan, especially in poor or rural areas. Young girls are married off early due to poverty, family pressure, or traditional practices. This denies them education, affects their health, and exposes them to abuse and lifelong dependence. Dowry-related violence occurs when women are abused because of their family cannot meet dowry expectations. This includes verbal abuse, physical harm, or abandonment. It reflects how women are treated as economic burdens rather than individuals with dignity and rights. Why GBV is a human rights issue? It violates fundamental human rights including the right to dignity, personal security, equality, education, and freedom from discrimination. In Afghanistan, women and girls are often denied these rights simply because of their gender, making GBV a serious human rights rather than private family matter. Psychological effects on victims. The psychological effects of GBV are severe and long-lasting. Victims may experience fear, anxiety, and depression, trauma, low esteem, and social isolation. Because of stigma and limited access to mental health services, many Afghan women suffer in silence. Ways to prevent GBV and how to help. Basically, on the previous video I made, legal protection and enforcement in strengthening laws against child marriage, domestic violence, and sexual abuse. Ensure they are enforced effectively. Education and awareness. Promote awareness campaigns about GBV, gender equality, and human rights to change harmful social norms. Psychological support. Provide trauma-informed mental health services to help victims cope with psychological effects of violence. Monitoring and reporting. Encourage reporting of GBV incidents to ensure proper data collection to inform policy and intervention programs. And that's all. Thank you.